really hot. Straight to the water, Emma. Woo! That wasn't the water. Okay, I'm going to go straight to the water. I'll probably fall off. Can you come behind me straight through the water and up there? Go to the water. Yeah, go. She'll just like try and get me off. She will not. Move, Emma. I am.
Oh!
Dream. No.
Dream, come on.
Wait.